You see, there are many kind of separation in the human civilization. Because of realizing our separate existence, because of this, we are sick. How to understand it? Okay, I am Indian. Then I say, I am American, I am Canadian, I am Chinese. When we have this kind of talk, when I identify myself on the basis of area and place, this is called big sickness. And this sickness creates blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, many sickness, and we do not know it. Because this sickness, which is called original feeling, which is called perception of local area, that I identify myself with this area, that I am Indian, this is sickness. I am American, this is sickness. I am Canadian, this is sickness. And this sickness, slowly, it creates various tension in our life. That various tension starts accumulating. When it increases to the large quantity, when this tension becomes large quantity, then we suffer from blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, many kind of fear and tension. Therefore remember, and other feeling, oh, I am brown skin, I am black skin, I am white skin. This is next sickness. When try to peel the skin, all are red. And try to go into deep meditation, you will find all are having same color. You will never find color difference. Therefore, identification of my existence based on the color is also sickness. Based on the height, based on the structure of the face, this is all sickness. Therefore, identification of self based on the structure of face, based on the skin color, based on the height and weight, based on the regional feeling, based on the caste system which is present in India, this is all are cause of illness, sickness, and majority, they do not realize that, oh, I am having blood pressure because of regional feeling. I was not knowing and I don't believe in this. Then tell me, what is the cause of blood pressure? At the last, doctor will say, I am not able to find out the true cause. I am giving medicine, but blood pressure is not cured. I am giving medicine, but diabetes is not cured. Then what is the cause behind it? This is the cause behind it. I am male, you are female. I am female, you are male. I am child, you are adult. Age difference. Identification of self on the basis of age, on the basis of sex determination, on the basis of skin color, on the basis of original feeling, is called the root cause of the all problems in the human being. Our obesity, our blood pressure, our diabetes, our problem in the eyes and ear, all are having only one cause, ignorance. Then it is very tough. If I will go to the border and they will ask my passport, oh, you are Indian? Once they ask me, you are Indian? I go, no, I am Canadian. Huh? How you say you are Canadian? You are Indian? I go, yes. By the passport I am Indian, but by nature I belong to the all countries of the world. Then he was looking at me, who is this? After that we smiled and he stamped and I entered. Therefore this is the things, and majority do not know the cause of sickness is this, and how to remove this cause. Try to think the whole world is my home. Thinking will not make you to work like that. Try to think, I am having no feeling of male and female. Keep on thinking, it will never work. I will not have age feeling. Keep on thinking, it will never work. Therefore, all these different variations which represents ignorance, how to remove it? Very easy. Just practice Kriya Yoga sincerely with all devotion. You will find it works. If you are practicing Kriya Yoga and original feeling is not going, believe you will not have perfect health. Practicing Kriya Yoga, if male-female concept is not disappearing, believe your sickness will not go. It means you are not practicing sincerely. When you are practicing Kriya Yoga, still we find ego of the age. Oh, you do not know? I am 70 years old, you are just kid. You do not know, I am so experienced. This is called biggest ego. He may not be knowing that child may be more awakened in consciousness. I may be 70, but my consciousness may not be such awakened as the child. Therefore remember, we find it difficult. Okay, when we practice Kriya Yoga sincerely, and still if you are having feeling of male and female, feeling of childhood, adulthood, old age, feeling of skin color, feeling of regional feeling, then remember, health you will not enjoy the health we are seeking. Then why it is not going? We are practicing Kriya Yoga from 20 years. Believe you are not giving full attention. Try to give full concentration, then you will know what is Kriya Yoga. Therefore Jesus has told, Krishna Bhagavan has told, until you have 100% concentration on my teaching, you will not understand it. Therefore this is very important to have the 100% concentration in the Kriya Yoga meditation, and how to develop it. Try every day more and more. That's all. Now we are ready to practice.